Once upon a time, in a village nestled between hills and a river, there lived a young girl who was known for her beautiful dresses. Every dress that she wore was prettier than the last, and she had a new one for every season. But her finest dress was the one she wore in autumn. It was a dress made of falling leaves, and it was so light and airy that it looked like the very embodiment of autumn itself. One day, the king's son, who was known for his arrogance and meanness, came to the village. And when he saw the girl wearing her dress of falling leaves, he stopped in his tracks. "That dress is so pretty," he said, and the girl blushed at the compliment. The king's son was known for being rude to people, but especially to girls, so this was quite surprising. "I want that dress," he said, and the girl immediately understood what he was after. She knew that if she said yes, he would rip the dress from her body and tear it to shreds just to spite her. But she also knew that if she said no, he would force her to take it off. So she did the only thing she could think of. She took off her dress and threw it into the river. As the dress floated away, the king's son ran to the bank and jumped into the water. He grabbed onto the dress and pulled it from the river. And as he did, the water drained from the fabric and the dress fell apart into a pile of leaves. The king's son looked at the ruined dress in his hands and then at the girl who was staring back at him defiantly. "You stupid girl," he yelled and threw the leaves at her. But as the leaves hit her, they transformed into beautiful butterflies that flew away into the forest. The king's son, seeing that he had just destroyed a beautiful dress and angered a powerful sorceress, ran away as fast as he could back to the castle. From that day on, whenever the king's son went outside, he was swarmed by butterflies that would rub against his skin, leaving painful welts. And no matter how much he screamed, they wouldn't leave him alone. And so, he was forced to stay inside the castle for the rest of his life, forever tormented by the butterflies. And that, my little ones, is why you should never try to take a girl's dress off. Because a girl's dress is her most prized possession, and it holds her power, her magic, and her beauty. And if you take a girl's dress, you take away her very essence. Now, who wants to hear another story?